Hello friends, welcome to Upadhyay Technology. Today we are going to write a program to display Hello World in Python. In Python, Hello World program is one of the simplest and most commonly used programs. It is often used as a starting point for the beginners to get familiar with the syntax and structure of Python programming language. The program's objective is to print the famous phrase "Hello World" on the screen. For this, let us create one file with the name "Hello World" hello.py. Py extension represent here Python. Save it. Okay. Now I am going to use inbuilt function print and giving here one parameter "Hello World". Now you will see a run button on the top right side. Press on it. You will get this hello world. Now if I want to instead of giving this string, if I want to give some numbers, it will also print it. Like I have given 10 in this print function. Now it will display 10. Let me save first. Here it is giving 10. It also make some calculation, like if I want to give like 10 plus 10 and wants this result, then it will display. Let me save it first. Now it will give me 20. We are also free to give more than one parameter, like 10, and then I want to display some string like hello. This is place. Then what it will do, it will first display this 10 and then this string. Let me show you the result. Let me save first. Here it has displayed 10. Hello, this is Achilles. In this way you are free to give any number of parameters